Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackHere.com, back with another kick-ass helmet graphic of the week.
These guys come from legend, they're basically gods.
There's only one god, man, and I'm pretty sure he doesn't dress like that.
Inside this bag, I've got the helmet from probably to date our most successful Instagram post ever. Video Caleb took a couple of shots of this thing sitting on the bikes. We put it out there and tons of likes. Great graphic. This is another HJC. They are just literally kicking ass and taking names in our helmet graphic of the week series. This is their Marvel Captain America. Red, white, and blue, baby. I love what they did here, too, with the HJC logo, how they really kind of, just a shadow of it. You know, it's not up there in your face and huge. Whether you're a fan of the Marvel movies or not, Captain America or not, this is just a stunning helmet, man. Looks great. So much better in person. These are going to be available for sale. They're not here yet. We've got a bunch on order. They're going to be available for sale sometime in the middle of June.